Hey guys, Ellen Woodbridge here, independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Australia, and I would like to wish you a Merry Christmas and an upcoming very Happy New Year, and thank you for joining us in the Christmas Stampathon challenge in 2019. Now for the Christmas Stampathon in 2020, there will be a few changes that I just wanted to make you guys aware about. We still will be going ahead with the Stampathon, which is great, so everyone can have their supplies ready, or hopefully more ready than normal for Christmas 2020, which is crazy to say, but hey. So we will be losing a few of our members. Ruth, Denise and Rose have decided not to continue with the Stampathon next year, which I am very sad to see them go, but I still have them as our friends, and hopefully they will jump in and play with some of our challenges next year. The other change that is happening is there will be no prizes as we have had in the past. There are no prize packs. So basically anyone from any region that has Stampin' Up products can join in the challenge, and our new team member, Esther Howard, who is in the UK, her and I will be running the group now, which is great, and the others will help out as well, but they just couldn't commit time. So Esther and I will be sending out some random cards, so we'll still be sending out some love, but we won't be doing prize packs, and that just came down to postage costs, sending them internationally. So it'll be open for the European market, Canada, America, New Zealand, and here in Australia and Japan as well. So we'd like to see you invite all your Stampin' Up friends to the group so everyone can get ready for their Christmas cards and Christmas tags and decorations and home decor items for Christmas next year. Please excuse my voice, I've got a bit of frog in my throat. So we will start up the challenges on the 25th of January in 2020, which really isn't that far away. And Esther and I will have, as always, we will have our samples and a video to go with every month, so you still will have some fantastic inspiration to work from. So thank you so much for joining us if you did in 2019, and we can't wait to see your creations to inspire us and to inspire everyone else in 2020. See you on the 25th of January, guys. Bye.